In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix text issues in Crello, specifically focusing on kerning, spacing, and alignment. Text issues can often be a subtle yet critical part of your design process, affecting the readability and overall visual appeal of your work. Whether you're working on a social media post, an infographic, or any type of visual content, fine-tuning these details can make a significant difference. So, let's dive right in and see how we can make your text look just right. To get started, you'll want to select the specific text box you wish to modify. This is your first step. Click directly on the text box within your design canvas. Selecting the right text box is crucial, as this is where you'll make all the necessary adjustments to ensure that your text looks cohesive and polished. Once the text box is selected, your next step is to access the spacing options. Up at the top of the Crello interface, you'll find a toolbar brimming with icons, all designed to help you enhance your design. Look for the spacing icon, a tool that will be your best friend in this process. Clicking it will open up a range of options that allow you to customize how your text is presented. Now, let's move on to adjusting the spacing itself. First, let's focus on letter spacing, commonly referred to as kerning. This is the process of adjusting the space between individual characters, which can greatly influence the legibility and aesthetic of your text. Once you've accessed the spacing options, you'll notice a slider under Letter Spacing. This slider allows you to increase or decrease the space between characters. If you find your letters are too crammed together, slide it to the right to add more breathing space. Conversely, if they feel too far apart, slide to the left to bring them closer together, ensuring that your text remains readable and well-defined. Next, we turn our attention to line height. This refers to the vertical space between lines of text and can impact both the appearance and readability of multi-line text blocks. Within the same spacing options menu, locate the line height slider. By adjusting this, you can finely tune the vertical distances between lines. If your text looks too tight and crowded, increasing the line height will give your content more breathing room. If the lines are too spaced out and disjointed, reducing the line height creates a more compact and unified look. That's all there is to it. By selecting the text box, accessing spacing options, and adjusting both letter spacing and line height, you can dramatically enhance how your text appears in Crello. Remember, a well-spaced and aligned text can dramatically improve the overall flow and impact of your design. Take your time to experiment with these settings until you find the perfect balance that suits your creative vision. Happy designing!